G'day cocktail lovers. I decided to make quite a summery drink even though it's winter for me because it's summer for so many other people, and hey, you know what? I don't mind having a very summer themed drink in winter anyway. This is called a coconut gin splice, and it caught my eye because it gave me an excuse to use my coconut gin. You don't often see recipes that specifically call for coconut gin, and I have this one from Threefold Distilling. That's Steve the bartender and his partners run that distillery, and it's really nice. I often use this as a substitute for white rum in tropical cocktails. It isn't a substitute in this one, it's what's actually called for. And it's a really nice looking drink, and I've been hanging out to taste it, so I'll give it a quick taste. And that does not disappoint. Ooh, there are a few interesting elements in this. Ingredients I wouldn't normally use. There's a couple of slices of banana with the skin on that get muddled. Some marmalade. I haven't done any muddling in ages, so I thought I'd do that as well. And it also calls for condensed milk. Continuing with the coconut theme, I thought I'd use this coconut milk condensed coconut milk. I put this in first because I just thought, well, I hope the other ingredients wash the jigger out to get even more of the condensed milk in there. But it's a little bit to put this together, so I'll show you how I made it. In a shaker, drop in 2 slices of banana with the peel on, and then add a spoon of marmalade. Muddle those so they're all squished up, and then we're going with the other ingredients. So I added 15 mils, half an ounce of the condensed coconut milk, then 60 mils or 2 ounces of the coconut gin, 15 mils or half an ounce of lime juice, and just around a Barspoon or 5 mils worth of sugar syrup. Add ice to the shaker, give that a good hard shake for 15 or maybe even 20 seconds to chill it and get everything really integrated. And then I got a tall glass, filled it with ice, and double strained that in to keep all the fruit bits out. When I got all that in, I topped the glass off with some soda water. Honestly, you might like the idea of some of the fruit pulp in there and so wouldn't fine strain it. That's a call you can make for yourself. I'm not going to judge. I decided to fine strain it. I will say it was very finicky. It was very slow to fine strain. So if you don't want to do that, I would completely understand. This is interesting. It kind of feels like a cousin of a Pina Colada. But I guess I feel like that whenever there's coconut elements in a drink. This is really nice. It's much lighter than a Pina Colada, and I'm going to really enjoy it. Like I said, even though it's winter for me, I'm going to sit back and enjoy drinking that. Hope you're sitting back and enjoying whatever you're doing, wherever you are, whenever you're watching, and I hope you come back to watch some more. In the meantime, I'll say bye for now. You have another drink of this and say cheers.